Okay, righty guys, let's jump straight into this video. On this video, we're just gonna take a look at what is the basic concepts of retest. The break and retest system is an old way of trading, but the most profitable trading setup. We will wait for price to break out of a range and wait for price to come for the retest of our previous zone. Only when price retests the zone, we will look for our entry candlesticks on our smaller time frames. Like I mentioned, our entry time frames is the 5 minute or our 15 minute, right? So this is basically the concept of breakout and retest. You must wait for price to break out, run in a particular direction, and then wait for price to retrace back to come and retest that previous zone that it was just broken out. And once price come and retest that zone, we will most likely trying to take price in this particular direction. So let's take a look at the slide. So here what you guys could see is that price basically run to the upside, retrace, break out of this zone. This is a market structure zone, right? There we can see price come back into our market structure and then continue to the upside, right? So this is what I'm talking about. We have this range. We can say this is our range, and there you guys can see price break out of this range, retest our zone, volatility zone, and then continue to the upside, right? On the other scenario here, we have a bearish trend. We can see price come to the downside, price retrace back, break this zone, right? So now we only gonna wait for price to retest this zone again, and then we will most likely take price all the way to the downside. So I hope you guys understand this concept. We're only gonna take trades once price come and retest this zone again, right? We're not gonna try to take trades on this impulsive once price trying to impulsively continue to the upside. If you miss your entry when price is around here, that's okay. Then we must just wait for price to close out of this zone, retrace back, and then we're gonna take another trading opportunity right here. So let's take a look now on the charts.